Assalamu alaikum friends, hope you all are well. A wonderful story from a hospital in America unfolds as a mother's lost child with Quranic verses comes forward. A doctor returned the chest. How does the Quran use K? The lost child of that doctor was found today. We will discuss this in the video. The video is very important, so you must watch the whole video. 2 pregnant women were admitted together in the same hospital. One of them gave birth to a daughter and the other to a son. The night the 2 babies were born at the hospital, no doctor was present in the ward. And because of that, 2 children's stickers were not applied on the fingers. The name of the children on the sticker and the child's mother's name is written. So it resulted that the 2 children were mixed up, making it difficult to recognize which baby is which woman. Of these 2 children, one was a daughter and the other was a son. A Muslim doctor from Egypt was in charge of these 2 deliveries. He was very skilled and had a good friendship with an American doctor. The American doctors and Egyptian doctors were very worried about how to solve this problem. After going like this for a while, the American doctor was convinced and said to the doctor in Egypt, "You always give the Quran to solve many problems and claim everything in the Quran. If there is a solution, then tell me with your knowledge of the Quran which baby is which mother." Egypt's response to the American doctor's words was, "Of course, Almighty Allah is in the Quran, has solved everything, and I prove it to you. Give me some time about this matter, I can acquire little knowledge." This is the Egyptian doctor. He returned to his native country to solve this problem. Coming here, he went to a well-known and famous scholar, raised that question himself, and also with the American doctor, presented the conversation in front of that lord. Then Mister, he said that, although I do not have clear knowledge about it, I still do, reciting a small verse of the Quran. Listen to your attention. Listen carefully. If Almighty Allah wills, it can be expected you can get your answer from here, inshallah. Then Huzur read the 11th verse of Surah Nisa to the doctor, the Bengali translation of which is, "Allah is about your children, ordered that the share of one son is equal to the share of 2 daughters, means the share of one man is equal to the share of 2 women. After hearing a beautiful verse, that doctor in Egypt started researching on this verse and found the explanation. This time the Egyptian doctor returned to America, and at first, he had a lot of confidence in his American doctor friend. He also said that I got it from the Quranul Karim. Which of these 2 children is the mother of a woman? The American doctor was very surprised to hear such words, and he said, "How is it possible?" Then the Egyptian doctor said, "Allow me to research the quality of 2 women's milk. I will solve this problem from there, inshallah." Then the Egyptian doctor took milk samples from the 2 women, started researching on it, and finally found out which baby belongs to which woman. And the Egyptian doctor at the same time freed his friend from this problem forever. Viewers may now ask questions in your mind, how is this possible? The Egyptian doctor said, the conclusions that have come forward in this study, it is somewhat like, compared to the mother's milk of a female child, 2 times more protein was found in the milk of mothers of sons. Not only that, minerals, fat and water are all compared to the mother's milk of a son. A female child has half the amount of mother's milk. Then the doctor of Egypt, he recited verses of the Quran in front of the American doctor, where it was written that the parts of a man are the parts of 2 women equal to, and with the help of which he was able to find out the answer to this question, for which both the doctors were very worried. Then when the American doctor saw that verse in the Quran, immediately he believed in Allah without wasting any more time, where Almighty Allah has left the answers to all the questions of the world in Al-Quran. Just study on it and figure it out. We have to apply it in our personal life. May Allah Ta'ala bless us all with more Quran, bestow tawfiq on Kareem to acquire knowledge. Amen. Be sure to give a like to the video, and to get more Islamic videos regularly, subscribe to our Islamic channel and press the bell icon next to it.